Make a great choice today with the 2017 Sportage. With its sleek and stylish exterior and its roomy, feature-laden interior, the Sportage both looks good and performs well on the road and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window wiper, rear window defroster, security system, low tire pressure warning, power windows. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.